how is AI becoming embedded in our tax system? And how is it changing the way we prepare and pay our taxes? To start, using software and technology to prepare and pay your taxes, it's just not new. Starting in the 1980s, technology really started taking over the tax preparation process. That's when we all collectively started using software programs like TurboTax to prepare our return. Since then, most Americans use some sort of tax preparation software. Around 46% of us do our taxes using programs like TurboTax or EasyTax or TaxSlayer. And most of the other half of us hire tax preparation firms like H&R Block, Jackson Hewitt, or a neighborhood accountant. And those firms use tax preparation software. So pretty much we're all using some sort of software one way or the other. So what's different today? How is AI changing things? What's different is how AI is being partnered with these existing software programs to replace many of the steps that have been done by humans for decades. Now, tax preparation software has historically been pretty simple. The main technological advantage of using the software was that it automated the math in a tax return. A tax return is essentially a mathematical equation. The hard part was getting the right numbers in the right boxes in the software. The software would then do the math for you. It would add up your income, calculate your deductions, and determine a final amount you owed. But the software required a lot of human intervention to work. Someone, whether you did it yourself or you paid someone to do it, had to find the right numbers in all those darn tax forms and type them into the right boxes in the software for the software to work. So there was a lot of manual data entry. Tax preparation software also traditionally struggled with anything out of the ordinary. Many filers who used the software still needed a human to answer questions, interpret documents, and double-check that everything was entered correctly. In other words, tax pros were pretty crucial for navigating complexities and sorting out the confusion that software just couldn't handle. Now, AI is eliminating a lot, not all, but a lot of the manual data entry. And increasingly, it's starting to provide the answers to your questions instead of a human.